Hello guys, and welcome into a new point of view driving episode from the road. I have no idea where I am. I went with the GPS and it shows me that here it will be faster with 10 minutes. All I can see is this facility from this renowned utility company, or let's say tool company. It owns like hectares here. Everything is only from that company, even two flats, big ones, on the left side. Before I started the recording, yeah, this is the first time for me right here. It looks really sharp. I mean, the street is okay. You can see it also has a very good lighting at night, for sure, with poles on both sides. But yeah, it's the first time I am in this side of near Bucharest, something like this. I passed through Afumați, Branesti, Pasărea, in that area right now. So this was Branesti. We're exiting Branesti. This is a really renowned, let's say, settlement of that is near Bucharest, and now I can see why. But yeah, the traffic is amazing. No issues whatsoever. So now it takes me somewhere without entering on the lane that surrounds Bucharest, because it is a mess, really. Haide, ce vremuri, ce experiențe. This guy in front of me, I don't know what he's doing. Maybe he's pleasure driving. Because right here we can drive a bit faster. But yeah, he has the window open, and that's why he cannot be bothered. I am in 5th. It's not the first time when I want to change into the 6th. I thought it was in the 4th. Yeah. No worries, man. I wouldn't give my car for anything in the world. I wouldn't trade it for the world. As long as it runs, God help me, I will drive it, and I will keep it. honestly, I enjoy much more this road than the surrounding one of Bucharest. I mean, that place is awful. While this, look at it, we even pass by a lake. It's beautiful. Amazing how you can see all this horizon. On the highway you don't get this feeling. You have all those fences left and right, but right here it is really beautiful. Here we enter. Okay. Yeah. Well, guys, thank you so much for watching. I wish you all the best. May we experience new places as much as possible. Although I must admit I don't excel at in that aspect, but I wish you all the best. I wish you to do that, and I'll catch you in the next episodes. Take care wherever you are, and bye bye.